It's official, XRP will be used as reserve gold. The quarrel between the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the San Francisco-based tech firm Ripple Labs keeps on giving no signs of slowing down. The coin has suffered great loss because of this so-called lawsuit, as numerous cryptocurrency exchanges delisted it. It has roughly been 8 months and the claim appears to be standing nowhere to end. However, the most recent proceedings are proof that the claim is a hindrance in XRP being the global reserve currency like gold. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you, which includes updates about the SEC versus Ripple case. We'll also talk about why the firm keeps dragging the lawsuit. You'll also get to know about XRP being the global reserve currency and the proofs that back this statement. In the end, there is a recent price analysis for XRP that indicates a major support by the bulls. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Ripple is very keen in strengthening its defense against the SEC's claim. The two SEC commissioners said that Ripple was not given sufficient clarity and a framework around how securities laws ought to be implemented into digital resources. Two of the current 5 SEC officials, namely Hester Peirce and Elad Roisman, made some statements that Ripple has chosen to use in court under the steady gaze of Judge Analisa Torres of the Southern District of New York. James K. Phelan, as of late, brought this into public's consideration by tweeting #XRP community, #SEC, #Gov, #Ripple, #XRP. Individual defendants responded to SEC's letter regarding public statements by Commissioner Peirce and Roisman, describing SEC's response as going on to publicly rebuke these two commissioners' considered views that there is no clarity. In this tweet, he additionally shared the report, which shows the SEC reaction to the litigants' letters with respect to Peirce and Roisman. Ripple has likewise documented another motion mentioning the court to consider the assertion made by two SEC officials. The XRP wasn't informed with enough clarity about how securities laws could be applied to digital assets. Hester Peirce said that the SEC should have provided enough clarity on how cryptocurrency should operate. Ripple utilizes this assertion to reinforce its lack of fair notification defense against the claim with the SEC. The firm also claims that these assertions are supplemental authority on the side of Ripple's resistance to the SEC's forthcoming movement to strike Ripple's fair notification defense. In any case, the SEC soon fired back by featuring 5 reasons why the litigants' most recent arguments should be permitted. As per AMB Crypto, the respondents likewise expressed that SEC neglected to demonstrate or uphold its aiding and abetting charges. The response also counted the SEC contending that charges against individual defendants should be decided based on the Howey test. This was also in the Quick, Telegram, and NAC Foundation's cases. The agency claimed its own letter. However, according to Larson and Garlinghouse, Kik and Telegram cases did not involve any claims against individual defendants, and the NAC Foundation case did not involve claims of aiding and abetting under Section 15 of the Securities Act. The way that the SEC's argument spins around its own commissioner statements features the unreachability of the SEC's position. Everything the SEC is doing is only a big show, a facade to be precise. According to the specialist, SEC is currently on its knees and it's attempting to, best case scenario, delay the implementation of XRP as the global reserve currency. Now, there is supporting evidence that affirms XRP is and will be the global reserve currency. Let's talk about that a little. In a tweet from @TruthCrumbs, it is expressed that when you hear all these discussions about CBDCs, you never hear anyone ask how are you going to settle intercontinental payments. I'm here to tell you that they're going to be settled by a world reserve currency that is going to come from BIS, World Bank, IMF, or somewhere. There's likewise a video where the conversation is about banks and CBDCs and how there will be cross-boundary payments. Individuals in the U.S. can transfer money to someone else in Ireland or Japan, and how the exchange should be settled too, since the bank money is an obligation to the feds in the U.S. and the Bank of Japan. They also discussed how when somebody in the U.S. sends thousands of dollars in reserve to somebody in Japan, the exchange should be settled, as the Bank of Japan will not simply take risk for no reasons. It is pretty obvious from this tweet and video that the general public and the investors out there know what CBDCs are, and they additionally realize that payment settlements will occur through some world reserve currency, yet they don't know about what currency it's going to be. It has been in the news for long, and many experts have also shown their interest in XRP being the global reserve currency. The purpose of sharing this information is that still many people do not know about the features XRP is offering, and it is still undervalued. XRP through RippleNet offers associations with many financial institutions all throughout the world, being a solitary API, and brings in moving money quicker, less expensive, and more reliable for you and your clients. It likewise lessens and even wipes out the requirement for pre-fund accounts with on-demand liquidity (ODL) and assistance that utilize advanced resource XRP to source liquidity during cross-border exchanges as an option in contrast to conventional frameworks. As indicated in NASDAQ, Ripple was designed to transfer money especially across borders quickly and at very low fees. Long-term followers of XRP USD expected to gradually replace SWIFT, the current standard of international bank wires. As of now, an enormous number of financial institutions use the Ripple network. The platform has a number of more than 300 suppliers across 50 nations. More organizations have been signing to utilize it for faster payments and remittances. Consequently, when the Ripple versus the SEC claim is, by one way or another, settled, XRP could easily reach new heights. We have effectively covered this multiple times, that the originators knew what they were making. They realized that the money they were going to make will sometime or another lead the monetary world. Ripple Labs' prime supporter, Arthur Ritter, expressed XRP should be versatile to obligate 7.5 billion individuals. Does this imply that it was intended to be utilized by each human in the world and to fill in as a world hold cash? Yes and yes. XRP is perfectly positioned to serve as a world reserve currency and can be held in significant quantities to provide liquidity for foreign exchange reserves, international transactions and investments, and all other users throughout a global economy. XRP will address the debt crisis without downgrading fiat currencies. Major financial institutions could likewise stock up on XRP at an incredibly appealing price. At the point when all framework strategies and arrangements are set up, they simply announce that XRP will serve as the reserve currency. This drives utility and demand, which rapidly increases the price of XRP. The government can then settle their debt using XRP, which could not devalue their fiat because they would not be printing any additional dollars or other fiat currency. This would explain why the U.S. administration, the IMF, and the World Bank have been so positive about Ripple Labs, XRapid, and XRP. Here, we can also explain why Ripple's XRP is getting associated with financial institutions of the world. The only hindrance in XRP's way is the lawsuit that the officials keep dragging out. XRP's price has experienced a wild ride all through the last month as it battles for crypto regulation, while the United States Securities and Exchange Commission continues to drag its feet on providing clear regulation on industry participants. It chose to go after Ripple in December of 2020, asserting it sold XRP as unregistered securities. The continuous claim has seriously harmed and affected the price of XRP. However, with multiple recent wins, investigators are anticipating a win soon enough. According to CoinGape, once the lawsuit is over, XRP can get back to its mission of facilitating cross-border transactions and potentially breaking its previous all-time high, ATH. Just over the past few days, bulls have pushed XRP over its long-term trend line, which was holding the price down for over 2 months. This is a bullish sign, as it usually is the first step to a trend change. As long as they keep XRP online, we should expect prices to move near the 70-cent region fairly soon. According to the 4-hour XRP USD chart, along with the resistance box, that price is currently halted at less than 200 MA. The price has been stuck under this MA for over 60 days, and once it is cleared, XRP will start heading back towards $1. If the bears decide to take over in the short term, we can expect the XRP price to find support at 58 cents. Along with this mark lies another support at 56 cents. That price must stay above to continue in bullish uptrend. Anything below this box will likely result in any hard downfall. According to the CoinMarketCap at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 66 cents, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.4 billion. XRP is up 10.86% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $30 billion. Moreover, it has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. That said, this is it for today's video. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, tell us in the comment section what you think about investing in XRP now that it's going to be backed up by gold. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Assuming you would want to stay updated with the latest news and information about XRP, we have more videos hanging tight for you on our channel to look at. Thanks for watching. See you next time.